Okay, Kuya Romel Toronto viewers, we are now here at Bicycle Depot in Albion and Kipling. So the bike, $599.95. $549.95. $769.95 Canadian dollars plus tax. Sprocket, disc brake. $749.95 Marlin. $699.95. No disc brake. This one no price. $479.